Hi everyone, Mike here from Excel Distance Calculators. We make simple and useful Excel tools to help businesses work more easily. For over 16 years, we've been creating tools that help businesses of all sizes. Every week, we hear from users like you telling us how our tools save them time, reduce mistakes, and make their work easier. Knowing we're helping people solve real problems inspires us to keep improving and building even better tools. With more than 7,500 happy customers and over 120 5-star Google reviews, our tools clearly get the job done. These reviews are from real users sharing how much our tools have helped them. Take a moment to read them, and you'll see how useful our tools really are. Today, I'm excited to show you one of our most popular tools, the Cost Per Mile Calculator in Excel. This tool helps you calculate delivery costs quickly and easily. It works for all kinds of deliveries, whether you're managing long trips or short ones. Here's how it works. First, set your rates. The tool comes with default rates for deliveries, but you can change them to match your needs. For example, you could set a pickup fee at $10 for the first 10 miles, an extra 25 cents per mile for longer trips, a weight fee, like 5 cents per pound for packages over 10 pounds. You can even set special rates for certain clients, and the tool will automatically use them when you enter the client's name. Next, add your delivery details. Just type in the pickup and delivery addresses, package weight, and client name. The tool uses Google Maps to calculate the exact distance between the two locations. If you're not sure how to set up Google Maps for the tool, we have another video that shows you how step by step. Once you've added all the details, click the Calculate button. The tool will show you the distance and total cost based on the rates you've set. It's really that simple. If you need the tool to do something specific for your business, let us know. We can customize it to fit your needs. If you have any questions or need help, our contact info is in the video description below. And yes, we actually answer the phone. When you call, you'll talk to Vinny, the person behind Excel Distance Calculators. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make delivery cost calculations easier, download the Cost Per Mile Calculator in Excel using the link below. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more helpful tools and updates. Until next time, happy calculating.